Hey guys, Cody here with Kevy Safety. I have 3 PELTORs here, along with some M-LOK adapters. I'm going to show you how to install it. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is back off these T-nuts. That way when you go to install these onto the M-LOK rail, this T-nut will catch on the inside of that M-LOK rail. Okay, so you're going to insert the T-nuts to the left and right side of the M-LOK rail. Make sure that the T-nuts are aligned right, and then you should feel it sit properly. Once you get them in there, all you're going to do is start tightening, and you should feel that T-nut catch. And if you don't, one of the tricks with M-LOK rails is you just kind of pull back on it so it can catch the back side of that M-LOK rail. And then now we're going to tighten this side. Once again, if you don't feel right here, I don't know if you can see that, but the T-nut is freely spinning. So what you might have to do is actually pull back on the M-LOK adapter so that that T-nut will catch. And see right there, I don't know if you can see that, but it's turned horizontal and now it has caught the M-LOK rail. So we got our left side on, now we're going to install the right side. Same thing. Want to make sure that these T-nuts are backed up enough so that it can catch on the back side of the M-LOK rail. Try to do this where you can see. Okay, so now we're just going to align these onto the M-LOK rail. Make sure it's sitting flush, and then we're going to start tightening. Once again, this one is just freely spinning, so I'm going to pull back on the M-LOK adapter a little bit till it catches, which now I can feel it has. Same thing on this side, and this side caught immediately. All right, so now that we have the M-LOK adapters on there, this is probably the easiest step to this. All you're going to do is you're going to slide this top piece into the M-LOK adapter and it clicks in, and then it's going to freely rotate. You can snap it in and out or rotate it up and stow it just like that. Do the other side so you can see that. All right, so that's in there, and there you go. It's really that simple. All right, so if you've ever worked with M-LOK rails, you know that it can be a pain. Hopefully these little tips that I gave you will help you out when you go to install these onto your Kevy safety helmet. All right, so if you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button with the bell notification turned on. See y'all next time.